What will happen if you plank every day for 1 minute? The number of calories you would burn depends on how many minutes you perform a plank exercise daily. For instance, a person weighing 65 kilograms would burn 3 calories every minute doing a plank. Here is what your body could benefit from plank exercising. Improves body balance and posture. Apart from muscle growth and endurance, a plank can also help achieve better body balance, posture, as well as coordination. The reason the plank is considered a fundamental part of an exercise routine is because of this. With great balance, you are less susceptible to incurring injuries to single muscle groups during your workout. Strengthens your core. The core of your body consists of the spine, shoulder bones, pelvis and joints. With a strong core, you will be able to better perform certain exercises. The 4 most important muscle groups, transversus abdominis, rectus abdominis, oblique muscles, and glutes, that constitute your core are strengthened with the help of the plank exercise. Improves body flexibility. Practicing the plank pose daily can help to stretch your core muscle groups mentioned earlier. This has a lot of benefits, especially for those who engage in yoga. You may thinking, can planks reduce belly fat? Yes, plank exercise is a good calorie burner that reduces belly fat. Make sure you also stick to a healthy diet while performing this exercise. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share to your friends.